How to fix wide angle camera zoom not working on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix wide angle camera zoom not working in your Android. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. If the wide angle camera zoom is not working on your Android device, the issue might be related to software setting, app permission, or any hardware limitation. So here's how you can fix it. The first method is to restart your device. Restart your device to reset any temporary glitches affecting the camera. So you can try to restart your device and check whether that solves your problem or not. If still not, the second thing you have to make sure that if your device software is updated. Now to check that, open up settings, scroll all the way down, then tap on system. Here tap on software update. If you have any pending update, install and download it. This may fix bugs affecting the camera. And if you have done that and still, if that is not able to fix your problem, the second thing you have to do is clear cache in data of camera application. For that, navigate to a camera in your mobile device, tap and hold on it, tap on app info. Here, scroll down and then tap on storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, you can clear storage as well. It says this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. So if you're okay with that, tap on OK. And once you have done that, you can reopen the camera application and test the wide angle feature. And that's going to help you solve your problem. So these are the way to fix if your wide angle camera zoom is not working in your Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.